Hi everyone, Darren from DrayTek Australia and New Zealand. As some of you may be aware, we don't just produce videos and FAQs to help you find your way around DrayTek devices, we also conduct live workshops. In these, we invite our DrayTek resellers and network administrators involved in maintaining DrayTek equipment to come along, meet the team and go through various features in more detail and get the opportunity to configure actual products in hands-on exercises. Coffee, tea, lunch and refreshments are all provided, so all you need to bring is yourself and a laptop. Our current workshop consists of 4 sessions. In session 1, we go through the various WAN connectivity options available in DrayTek routers, and you get to set up an LTE connection and a Wi-Fi WAN connection. Session 2 covers multi-WAN and network reliability. In this one, we cover multi-WAN routers and how to configure multiple internet connections for either load balance or failover, and also how to aggregate multiple connections together for faster download speeds. You'll get to try this out and compare it with and without it enabled, and you'll also get to play with the methods to detect if a WAN is up and see the advantages and disadvantages that the different methods offer. In session 3, we look at high availability, also known as hardware redundancy. Here we show how up to 10 routers can be configured in a group so that if one fails, another one will step in to take its place. There's a couple of different options here and we go through the pros and cons of each, and you'll get to set up and test it out in a live situation. Finally, in session 4, we cover everything you wanted to know about VLANs. We'll go through how to use them to segregate network segments for both security and performance reasons, and you'll get to try out 3 different configuration scenarios, including how to use the central switch management feature, where you can do it all from the router instead of having to log into multiple devices. We've already been to Sydney and Melbourne with this one, and we'll be coming to Brisbane on the 22nd of November this year. If you're in Brisbane and interested in attending, or if you're interested in us coming to your city, please let us know. To contact us or to learn more about DrayTek products, please check out our website at www.draytek.com.au or send us an email to sales@draytek.com.au or give us a call on 02 9838 8899. Please like and subscribe below, and if you'd like a notification anytime we put up a new video, please select all from the subscribe drop-down menu as well. Thanks and bye for now.